Welcome to where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, exploring their histories, engineering marvels, and the passion that fuels the riding community. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting ride with us. Today, we're embarking on a journey through time and technology to discuss a legend reborn, the 2026 Yamaha RD500LC. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a tribute to Yamaha's racing heritage and a bold statement in the world of two-stroke performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider, a collector, or someone who appreciates the artistry of motorcycle engineering, this episode is tailored for you. The Yamaha RD500LC, originally produced between 1984 and 1986, was a groundbreaking machine in its era. It was Yamaha's attempt to bring the thrill of their YZR 500 Grand Prix racer to the streets. With its 499 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V4 two-stroke engine, the RD500LC was a powerhouse that delivered exhilarating performance and a spine-tingling exhaust note. Its design was a fusion of innovation and homage to Yamaha's racing lineage, featuring a perimeter steel frame, advanced suspension systems, and distinctive styling that set it apart from its contemporaries. Fast forward to 2026, and Yamaha has resurrected this iconic model, blending classic aesthetics with modern technology. The 2026 RD500LC pays homage to its predecessor while incorporating advancements that enhance performance, safety, and rider experience. Let's delve into the specifics of this remarkable machine. At the heart of the 2026 RD500LC lies a meticulously engineered 499 cubic centimeters V4 two-stroke engine. This power plant is a nod to the original's racing roots, delivering a thrilling riding experience. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, ensuring smooth and responsive gear shifts. The power delivery is managed through Yamaha's YPVS, Yamaha Power Valve System, which optimizes exhaust timing for improved performance across the rev range. The RD500LC's performance isn't just about raw power, it's about balance and control. The chassis has been refined to provide precise handling, whether you're carving through mountain roads or navigating city streets. The suspension system has been updated with modern components, offering improved comfort and stability without compromising the bike's agile nature. Visually, the 2026 RD500LC captures the essence of its predecessor while embracing contemporary design elements. The bodywork features sharp lines and aerodynamic contours, contributing to both aesthetics and performance. The iconic red and white color scheme with Yamaha's racing livery is a direct homage to the original RD500LC, evoking nostalgia among enthusiasts. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the bike. From the minimalist instrument cluster to the sleek tail section, the design reflects Yamaha's commitment to blending form and function. The use of lightweight materials ensures that the RD500LC retains its agility, a hallmark of its original design. Modern motorcycles are as much about technology as they are about performance, and the 2026 RD500LC is no exception. The bike is equipped with advanced electronics that enhance safety and rider confidence. Features like traction control, multiple riding modes, and a quick-shifter system ensure that the RD500LC is not only thrilling to ride, but also safe and manageable. The integration of a digital instrument panel provides riders with all necessary information at a glance, including speed, gear position, fuel levels, and more. The lighting system utilizes LED technology, offering better visibility and energy efficiency. Riding the 2026 RD500LC is an experience that blends the past and present. The two-stroke engine delivers a unique power delivery that is both raw and refined. The exhaust note is unmistakable, a symphony of mechanical harmony that resonates with enthusiasts. The bike's handling is precise, with the updated suspension offering a comfortable yet connected feel to the road. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on open highways, the RD500LC responds with agility and confidence. The ergonomics are designed to provide a comfortable riding position, allowing for extended rides without fatigue. The original RD500LC was a pioneer in its time, influencing the design and development of future motorcycles. Its impact is still felt today, with many modern sport bikes drawing inspiration from its engineering and design principles. The 2026 RD500LC continues this legacy, proving that Yamaha's commitment to innovation and performance is unwavering. By resurrecting this iconic model, Yamaha not only honors its history, but also sets the stage for the future of two-stroke motorcycles. The 2026 Yamaha RD500LC is more than just a motorcycle. It's a testament to Yamaha's rich heritage and forward-thinking approach to motorcycle design. It successfully blends the spirit of the original RD500LC with modern advancements, creating a machine that appeals to both nostalgic enthusiasts and new riders alike. Whether you're a collector seeking a piece of history or a rider looking for a thrilling experience, the 2026 RD500LC offers something special. It's a celebration of Yamaha's past, present, and future, a true masterpiece on two wheels. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of the 2026 Yamaha RD500LC. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the year, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow enthusiasts. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with the RD500LC, so leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, historical retrospectives, and all things motorcycles. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the throttle open. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.